At Thai Union, we understand the role nutrition plays in maintaining a healthy lifestyle. And with an aim to help the world meet the United Nations Sustainable Development Goal 2 for Zero Hunger, in line with our Sea Change Sustainability Strategy, we also recognize the importance of educating children about nutrition so they can adopt healthy eating habits at a young age. To support this, in 2018, Thai Union held a series of nutritional workshops for more than 750 students across 5 schools in Samut Sakhon province in Thailand. Students were taught about the benefits of eating nutritionally rich food to help stimulate mental and physical health, together with the importance of limiting their intake of unhealthy food.
การที่เราจะเลือกกินอาหารแต่ละอย่างเราควรที่จะดูฉลากก่อนมันเค็มวันหมดอายุว่ามันมีโซเดียมหรือน้ำตาลมากมายแค่ไหนค่ะ
Students rotated around 5 stations during the workshops, starting with a fitness test, which also measured height and weight. At the second station, students were informed about the 5 major food groups and why they should include them in their daily diet. While they also learned about the appropriate levels of fat, carbohydrates and sugar they should consume. After discovering how to correctly read food labels for nutritional information so they can make healthy decisions, the students received demonstration on how to cook healthy food with tuna and seafood.
ปลาทูน่ามีประโยชน์ต่อร่างกายมากเลยค่ะและบำรุงสมองและร่างกายค่ะมีโอเมก้าสูงมาก
As one of the world's largest seafood producers and the #1 ranked food products company globally in the Dow Jones Sustainability Index, Thai Union has an important role in supporting the local communities where we operate to help them live healthier, happier lives.